Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the CSR 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CSR 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start racing on your preferred kind of race. Now from this home page, if you wish to delete your account, tap on the arrow icon at the left side and this will open up the menu page. From this page, tap on the gear icon, which will take you into the options page. Now from this page, simply scroll down and you will find the delete my account button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Just tap on I want to delete this game account and then tap on the continue button, and once you provide your confirmation, your game account will be deleted and you will be logged out from your account right away. After this process is done, the game will restart and you will be able to start your race all the way from the beginning. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the CSR 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.